to get down in the water, all the equipment we want you to put on in the water, okay? So you're not walking around in fins, chance of slipping, you're not walking around with equipment on your back, okay? If we can, we'd like to try to get in order a little bit by size, okay? So we're going to take the taller, bigger people down at this end, like me, be down at this end, the smaller, thinner people be down to that end, okay? And that'll help us in getting the equipment on you. If you think that you might get cold, we do have some wetsuits over there, okay? They're short wetsuits, you can put those on and they might help a little bit. The water is not super warm in this pool. I'd like it to be 86 degrees, but it's not, okay? Probably about 78 or 80, which seems really warm until you're in it for a while. Okay, so that's kind of up to you guys, all right? We're going to get started. We're going to fit you with masks. We're going to get equipment on, make sure all that equipment is buckled up right. We're going to go through kind of how to buckle it up, and we're going to help you if you need help. Otherwise, we're going to let you do for yourself, okay? Then we're going to go through some things about actually breathing on scuba, what it's going to be like. We'll do that standing up, so you get a little opportunity to breathe, you know, on scuba before we put you underwater. We're going to put fins on your feet so you can kick around and move around a little easier, okay? And we're going to start with, we're going to contain the area to the shallow end of the pool. So we want you to stay in the area, so if you have a problem, you can just stand up, okay? Until we make sure that you're comfortable. Once you're comfortable, we're going to take you a couple at a time, and there's 5 of us to do that, so it's not like anybody should be left behind. And if you want to, we're going to then take you on a tour of the deep end of the pool, okay? Once we get in that deep end, you're going to be able to do about whatever you like. We're going to, hopefully you can get neutrally buoyant, be weightless down there, and you can do somersaults, stand on your head. Okay, there's a few torpedoes down there you can play catch with, all right, and just have some fun, all right? You should be in the water probably about an hour or so, maybe a little bit more than an hour, okay? Give you a little bit of a feeling what it's like. And then you can all go back to where you're from, find your local dive shop, and sign up for scuba class again, okay? Because you're all going to want to do it. All right? So, does anybody think they might want a wetsuit? Do they get anybody that gets cold really easily? Okay. So,
why not?
It doesn't hurt, yeah.
Do you work with these guys?
They're going to be short.
Are you working with them?
Oh
yeah, you are.
Okay? So, if you want one, go right, walk right over there. Those fine ladies will help you.